All right, this is going to be the hardest clamping we're doing. And this one takes a lot. So we need to think on the fly with this one. I don't know how many clamps we're gonna need. It depends on how it goes together, because this one's a complicated one. Notice the direction that everything is pointing. I'm using the neck top it's going from left to right, thicker to skinnier. The middle portion, the neck middle, is pointing right, is the little smaller edge. Our sides, we have one that's gonna go like this, one that's gonna go like this. This is the back of the neck. We might use it for support. And here is your headstock, okay? You should have glued the headstock with 3 parts, and notice the back, it has the groove, which this is gonna go into. So this is gonna go like this, okay? These sides are gonna go into here and fit into here right next to it. It's not gonna be an easy fit, and in fact, I'm gonna go grab a hammer. Because you may even need a hammer to hammer these pieces in. So we may need to use hammers, but a gentle tap. All right, so we're gonna see how this goes. This is always a really hard part. Everything fits very tightly together. Wood glue is gonna go on. We're gonna put this in a little bit. So I'm not even gonna put wood glue on this. I'm just gonna put this into these slots ever so slightly. And you can hear it like flexing. This is how tight it is. All right. There, I've left a little exposed. I'm gonna put wood glue on those. So I'm gonna put a little wood glue on each of those as we go here. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. All right. And I'm not gonna put those in all the way yet. Again, this one is more time sensitive than the others because there's already wood glue on it. All right, so I'm going to now, I'm going to put wood glue on here, on each one of these, and we need to be quick about this, because if the wood glue dries and everything dries in there, it is going to be immobile. So I'm putting glue where it needs to go. Okay, I'm also gonna put some wood glue inside of here because that's going to be where that is gonna sit in the headstock on the body, the neck body. I'm putting wood glue in the thick slot and in the tiny ones as well. This is gonna be, with glue, it's gonna be an even tighter fit. So we're in for a challenge for sure. Nothing on this wants to fit together perfectly. So you gotta be ready for that. All right, so I'm going to put probably this in these slots. Again, it's already a tight fit, so I'm gonna move that like that. Move this into here. I'm gonna push them down as far as they go. Again, I'm not pushing them all the way into the slot yet because you don't want to do that. I'm then going to move this under, push this in to the slots, and now you're gonna have to really align. So I'm gonna push this. I'm aligning each groove to each groove. That all fits. This is actually going a lot smoother than I thought. And now I'm gonna push. I'm gonna hold this together. Oh, and now we're gonna have issues, I can tell. All right, so I'm gonna hammer. A gentle tap for all these. See how that's looking? Okay, that's still a little bit up. But again, that looks good. It's time to align. I'm gonna put a row of glue, and I can't forget to do the middle. The middle is still up, so I need to hammer that middle down. If you forget to do the middle, you're gonna have big problems. Okay, that was actually not too bad. I'm gonna spread out this glue in here. I'm gonna put some new glue down to reinforce everything. I can be, again, pretty generous with this glue because nothing is going in here. Okay. Alright. So that actually does not look too bad. Now, clamping. You're gonna use bar clamps probably. This needs to be clamped here. So let's use tiny clamps like that. Like that. That's probably tight enough, it doesn't need to be clamped. Alright, bar clamps. We're gonna use the very bottom. We're gonna go like this. Clamp, 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 clamp. Oh, let's put this in here to keep the space. So I'm gonna go like this. This is gonna act as a spacer. It's also the actual part for this, but we're gonna put this in here. Whoa, see my clamps are flying off. Let's just do the bar clamps first. I'm gonna clamp it. Boom, looks good. This is gonna go like that in there. Boom, clamping, looks good. This goes in here. Clamping, looks good. Okay, we don't need a clamp at the top, that should be enough clamps. Let's use a bar clamp on these, I like that idea better. We can use one, like that, and one down here. All right, and that was how we glue the neck. So, not as hard as I thought. Yours could be difficult, just a warning.